On.
Today I'm going to explain you about assessing databases with GDBC. We have different concepts in a database with a GDBC. Like we have a relational database concept, and we learn how to use a structured query language, the main SQL, which is used to retrieve the data and manipulated data in the database. And we will learn how to use the GDBC and API to access the databases and the roasted interface from the packages, which is used to manipulate the databases, and the JDBs force automatic JDBs is the driver discovery, and also we will learn how to create the correct pre-compliant SQL statements with the parameters via prepared statements, and we'll learn how the transaction process makes database applications more robust. So these are some of the concepts which are involved in databases with the JDBC. What is meant by the database? So the collection of the information or any data, so which is organized in a particular order or something like that, is called a database. So if you collected the information of any a certain a group of thing or certain group of a company, anything, process, and we need to organize in a particular order, is called a database. So today's world is running on the database. So every company, everything is based on a database. Your phone, your laptop, your websites, and the the small companies or big companies, everything, the world is completely depend on the database. So everything is run on some particular process. So this process should be organized in a particular order, and the database is the thing which is organized with the collection of data. So all the collected data will be organized in some part. It's called in a database. And where the database management system is, which provides the mechanisms for for different tracks called storing, organizing, retrieving, and modifying. So this are be done when there is things to be done by the users. So these all the things were done by the users. Like we do all the things. We do store the data, we organize the data, and we retrieve the data, and we modify the data. So where the database management system DBMS is provided a mechanism for all these categories for the users, and where the SQL is the international standard language that all we know. So it uses the relational database which is used to perform the queries and to manipulate the data. And the popular relational database management system are DBMS are Microsoft Excel Server, Oracle, Sybase, IBM DB2, Informatics, PostgreSQL, MySQL. So these are the popular systems that we are using now. And now we are getting the JDK, which comes with the pure Java RDMS, which is called as Java DB, which is a other version of the Apache Derby, and where the Java programs will communicate with the database and manipulate the data by using the Java database connectivity. And it enables applications to connect a database in a particular DBMS, and also allows you to manipulate the database by using a JDBC API. So, where by using the JDBC API, it enables developers to change the underlying DBMS. For example, like if you want to change from Java DB to MySQL, so it has an ability to develop this kind of change under the DBMS. So this can be developed without any modification in the Java code. And also it provides their own JDBC database drivers, and many third-party vendors which provides a JDB drivers as well. Here the relational database. What is mean by